All right, let me cut across now to news coming in from Karnataka. State government there rocked by multiple scam allegations. Let's start with the Muda scam, the controversy that's exploded, points fingers at the Siddaramaiah and at Siddaramaiah as the chief minister itself, that he and his family tried to take away land from Muda. Muda granted them land in exchange of some forged documents that were presented to the body. Allegations that Siddaramaiah may have tried to use his clout to get prime piece of land in exchange for agricultural land in Mysuru's Vijayanagara. Now, we saw Vijendra of the BJP, the president in the state of BJP, has begun a protest and tried to head towards Mysuru in protest, where they were detained. Reacting to this allegation here, Siddaramaiah has spoken to India Today, where he's said that these allegations are only made against him because he's an OBC leader, that he belongs to the OBC community, and also touched upon the Valmiki scam that's now, at this point, put the government in the spotlight, where money was allegedly routed off the Scheduled Tribe Welfare Board towards unauthorized and unknown IT companies, basically in an attempt to swindle off that money. And this crime was allegedly committed by two of their own Congress MLAs. Let me take you through exactly what Siddaramaiah said on these cases.
The BJP is demanding that Chief Minister Siddaramaiah tender his resignation. They are saying that Siddaramaiah has to take up moral responsibility for all the scams that has been unfolding in Mysuru, be it the Muda scam or be it the Valmiki scam. They are stating that the Chief Minister is directly responsible for this without the permission of Chief Minister. It is impossible for such huge scores of money being transferred from one bank account to another, and that too being unauthorized. So they are stating that the Chief Minister, who is also holding the finance portfolio, must take moral responsibility for this and resign from his position, is what the BJP is asking. But the Chief Minister has rebutted to all these protests against the BJP by stating that he is only targeted because he belongs to the OBC community and that he has become the Chief Minister twice already from Karnataka. So a lot of people, they are burning with jealousy, and that's exactly why he is being targeted and singled out, be it the Muda scam or be it the Valmiki scam, is the defense that's given by the Chief Minister.
देखिए, सिद्धरामैया जी इतना डर गया है, हमको सही तरीके से प्रोटेस्ट करने के लिए भी नहीं छोड़ रहा है. लेकिन this will not stop BJP. This will not stop BJP workers in protesting against this Congress government. In the just span of 1 year, more than 5,000 crore worth scandal has been unearthed. The district commissioner himself has given report. Chief Minister is bound to answer the people of Karnataka. When his family itself is involved in this Mysore land scam, he is bound to answer the people of Karnataka, and he has to refer this to CBI investigation.
It's a conspiracy. They wanted to make it a political issue. They are playing politics in this, number one. Number two, see, I belong to backward community, and I became a chief minister of this state second time. That is why they don't tolerate. That's why they are doing politics in this.
No, it is all nothing, only political scam it is. It is what they are trying to do, politics. There is nothing scam. Whatever has been done, it is done at the BJP tenure, and there is nothing is there. They wanted to, they feel that after winning the election, now again they wanted to see that Karnataka put in a very bad shape, but nothing is there. Everything is perfect.